let's look at all the parameters of making your mission global and getting out of your own way. So faith, I mentioned faith. So we're going to talk about faith. And you need to have faith in those three things. Faith in yourself, faith in people, and faith in your work, which is also a process, right? In your creative process. So in details, we're going to talk about each of those points, and I will be giving you some tools. Maybe we'll do something together, right, as well. So let's look at how to develop faith in yourself. If you can imagine that, what can you do with that faith? What does it look like? Well, it looks like you are unstoppable, like you are indestructible, right? You are confident. That's a good word for it, right? And what we're typically thinking when we're thinking about confidence is, oh, it's all about me boosting my self-esteem, going to therapy, figuring, digging and understanding why, and blah, 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 right? And you probably had spent a lot of years in therapy. Like, I get it. I'm a trained psychotherapist myself. So believe me, I know what people expect when they come to discover this, like, or boost their self-esteem. So in reality, I mean, this is what I do. Healing overnight, healing immediately. And how does that happen? Is that we're talking about who you really are in this world. And for most people, they believe that the process of finding yourself it can take your whole life, right? And what I've seen that happens, and people who work with me know that, right? You can vouch for that. You know about the miracles of transformations, and they are immediate. What is it? It's the understanding that you are a soul who, in fact, had chose the path, right? So when you had chose the path, why would you complain? Why would you heal from it? Why would you try to get rid of it? It's not about getting rid of it. It's just standing above it, seeing yourself and not pretending, honestly. I mean, it's not about I will do some affirmations or tapping and get into my system that I am somehow superior to the victimization that I've lived through. It's not like that. It's about really actually connecting with your own spirit. Which is, it's instant.